Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Fix It Felix. Today we're working on a 2014 Dodge Avenger. I'm going to show you how to replace the front brake pads. First of all, what we need to do, we're going to put a jack on it and we're going to remove the driver's tire, and I'm going to show you how I'm doing the driver's tire brake pads first. Tires out. I put a jack stand just in case for safety. And it's also good to put the tire underneath too, just in case, more safety, safety first. And now what we're going to do is we're going to remove these two bolts, which is this one right here, using a 14mm ratchet or wrench, and another one right here. So in this case, I'm going to be using my wrench. So we're gonna put it here, and then sometimes it's hard to take it out, so using a rubber mallet, you can hit it until you loosen it up and take it out. Now we're only gonna loosen up this one a little bit, but we're going to take out the one in the bottom, all of it out, and I'll show you why. All right, we took the bottom one, and the one on top, we just loosen it up. So now what you can do is just put this up, and you can put it right here. Now using a C-clamp, you can use a C-clamp to put it right here, and you can push the cylinder all the way back, because once you put the new brake pads, this part has to go all the way down so you can install the new brake pads. So using the C-clamp, you can push this all the way down. If you don't have a C-clamp, you can use something strong enough. Like in this case, we're going to be using this one just to show you that it's possible, and you can push the cylinder all the way back. You're gonna have to apply a lot of force though, but it's possible. So I also noticed that what you can do is, if you're using something strong to, like if you don't have the C-clamp, then what you can do is you can remove the caliper. Okay. And you can put it right here so it can be strong and steady. And while it's here, then you can push it with something strong. You can see it's going in. All right, we already pushed the cylinder all the way back, so you can push this back. Now we're going to remove the brake pads. You can use a flathead screwdriver to take it out, and do the same one for the back. So as you can see, it was making an ugly sound whenever they were hitting the brakes. So, yep. So out with the old, in with the new. So let's put this once. All right, so that's there. And now just drop the caliper and put the back screw on the lower part. All right guys, once you tied everything, now it's time to put the tire back. So just follow the same steps backwards. And don't forget to put your hubcap if you have a hubcap. All right guys, that's how you replace the front brake pads on a 2014 Dodge Avenger. You can repeat the same process for the one on the other side. It's basically the same thing. So I hope this video helped you. Right now I'm going to replace the ones on the rear side, so if you guys need help with those, I'm going to leave the link down below. I'm also going to leave the link down below where you can buy the brake pads. Like I said before, I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like, comment, and subscribe. As always, peace.